All right, this is Code Extreme indeed, here with Frosty. It's 5 after 5 a.m. on day one. It is going to be extreme like we thought. It's going to be amazing and awesome. So, Frosty has to do the day job. That's the life of an entrepreneur. You do what you have to do, to get where you need to go. And so I'm just checking in, going over some requirements so that we can have our long meeting today with the team, with Discovery and so forth. So firstly, I'm just going to share my screen. We already started entering some information on g.o.a.t. And yeah, so g.o.a.t.SaaS, let me zoom in, make sure you can see. So we're doing this all on g.o.a.t.SaaS, right? g.o.a.t. is a platform that allows users to see reviews and ratings on landlords and tenants, as well as other real estate professionals. Like Carfax, g.o.a.t. provides a clear view of real people that can't be found on typical background checks. Yeah, so we're still with that, yes? And so I'm selecting on g.o.a.t.SaaS here. The authentication level, super admin and admin, which means you're going to be the admin and you're going to be the super admin, as in the g.o.a.t. company, right? What company are you doing this through? Is this through your real estate company, correct? I lose you? I'm just wait a bit. All right. For this, we're gonna have a super admin. You're the super admin. Your company's a super admin. I'm assuming you're doing this through your real estate company, and
Yes.
an admin login would be, the landlord as an organization. We'll see if that's the right structure. So user roles, the admin, landlord, and tenants, right? So you're the admin, we're gonna have the landlord and then the tenant. So the question for the landlord, right? When you think about the landlord role, the landlord can have multiple properties, right? And for this one, the landlord will just be one person, not an organization. So that means the landlord doesn't need any sort of admin logins. I'm just gonna put it back to this. Yeah. All right. So we started entering some user stories. And so I'm just gonna go back over those user stories, and we started scoping them as well. So let's start down here. Important stuff. So as an admin, can you see the screen? So we're doing as an admin or landlord. So I'd entered a bunch of this stuff before, yeah, and we even started some scoping. We just need to review just to make sure that that we're still getting it, we still have it correct, all right? So as an admin or landlord, we can create, edit, archive the property. As an admin, landlord, or tenant, I want to be able to view the details of a property. So here on g.o.a.t.SaaS, we're capturing user stories or the features. As a role, I want to be able to do something. So we're gonna just go through this, right? The features. We're gonna go through also the data models, for the product, and then we're gonna go through all the screens, right? And then we're gonna be done. Cool.
Awesome. Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna pause the recording now so everybody doesn't see your secret sauce. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, this is Code Extreme.